Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're doing great and having a wonderful weekend. So I came to my attention that my volume or my mic might be echoing, so I'm sorry if my sound has been off. I personally have not noticed, but someone told me. So I adjusted some settings, so hopefully everything sounds okay in this video. I won't know until I am done in editing, so I'm hoping it sounds okay and even better than usual. But for today's video, I put up a poll. You know I love doing polls to see what you guys want me to open first when I have a few things, and I'm gonna pull it up right now. So winning at 54% is I want to give away prize unboxing. So that is what I'm going to do today. So if you guys know Southern Mom, I'm sure plenty of you are familiar with her if you watch my channel. If not, I will definitely link her down below. Check her out. My cat's eating some tape in the background. Emmy! So strange. So I apologize. That's not my mic, that's just my cat eating some tape. But recently, Nikki, or Southern Mom, she had 10 days of giveaways, and I won one of the first days of giveaways, and I got my prize package the other day, and to be honest, I don't remember exactly what's in it. She did show the prizes that day, but she's been giving away so much stuff. She is so sweet, so I'm not sure exactly what's in there. Maybe it'll come back to me when I'm opening it, but I'm going to show you guys everything I won. And then one of my subscribers and now a friend, Annette, sent me a package, so I'm going to open this too after I open the prizes. I kind of peeked in and she's so sweet, so I'm going to open that today too. So let's get started. So my prizes came in a Boxy Mama box. I know that's not what it is, so let's see. Ooh, so here is what it looks like. So the first thing, oh my god, this is like a coincidence. So I used my very first lip mask ever today. Like I have a few, I just never got around to using them. So I used a sheet mask and I just put the lip mask over. It looks similar to this. I think it wasn't this exact one, but this is a My Collagen Hydrogel lip patch. So it's so funny because like I have such little lips, these are so huge, but I just put it over my sheet mask so it didn't like, it was like I did 2 in 1. It was kind of nice. I can't tell if anything's different yet, but this one says it also has like collagen in it. Plumps? I could use some plumping. These little baby lips, yes, I need some plumping. So I'm excited to try this. Next up, what is this? A chocolate facial and body mask. Cool, so I've never done a body mask before. I'm guessing you put it like on your neck and your chest. So it says you just mix the dry mask with water. So you can probably use this for multiple uses because there's a lot of powder in here. This is a very interesting concept. I've never had a mask like this before. Have you guys ever used like a dry mask and then mixed it with water? I think that's kind of a good idea because you can definitely get more use out of it, like I said. Ooh, another mask. I'm loving this. Oh my god, I remembered something that came in this. I'll show you. Oh, Nikki is so sweet. Okay, but Maskology Hyaluronic Acid Modeling Peel-Off Mask. Ooh, I like peeling off masks. There's a water cup in here. What is this? It says all-in-one, a spatula included, and a water cup. It says this Hyaluronic Acid Modeling Mask, Peel-Off Mask is formulated to deliver moisture to the skin to keep the skin hydrated. It helps tighten the skin to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin youthful and rejuvenated. So this is another one. I think you make the mask yourself. So there's like a spatula and a cup. I think you pour 2 cups of water and then you mix with whatever's in here with powder. And okay, here, I'll show you guys. So that is the back of them. That gives the instructions. So I think there's like another one that like, there's like powder in here. So wow, I never tried any of this and now I have so much to try. And hyaluronic acid is so good for moisturizing your skin, so and hydration, so I'm super excited to use that. You guys, look at this. I want a Calvin Klein little clutch. This is so cute. I love the colors too. I totally forgot this was in here. Isn't this so sweet? There's the back. I love the color. Oh my god, this is so cute. And then there's this like little handle here. This is adorable. I think there's some stuff inside it. Oh my god. I love this. Yeah, this is full of stuff. Okay, so let's see what's in here. The first thing I see is by NYX, Love in Rio, and these are such cute shades. Okay, so that's it before I open it, and look at the little opener. It's like a little bow. I noticed that when I was like moving it towards the camera. Let's see, oh, it's taped, but this is super cute. These are definitely like neutral shades that I like to wear like every single day. This is awesome, super cute. Oh, and there's some earrings. Oh yeah, I remember the day she showed us these. I was like, wow, those earrings would be perfect for Florida, where I live. And then of course it won. So these are like little starfish. Aren't these super cute? Oh. And then some activated charcoal toothpaste. I've used this before. I used it all up, so it's nice to get more. Ooh, and some B12. I could always use some B12. This is a B12 spray. It's methylcobalamin, vegan certified. 1 fluid ounce, you get 500 micrograms per spray. This is awesome. I used to have to be really conscious of my B12 intake because I was vegan. Now I'm vegetarian, but still it's good to have. And then I've been really wanting to try this. I've heard such good things. This is the Pixie Glow Tonic. It's an exfoliating toner. I've heard some YouTubers especially like rave about this product. Have you guys tried it? I'm super excited to try that. And then there's a Smashbox Instamatte Lipstick Transformer. I think I used to have this and I liked it. It's been a while since I've tried it, so I'm definitely excited to try it again. The Joico, I think, K-Pack Color Therapy Luster Lock Instant Shine and Repair Treatment. I think this is for your hair. Yeah, okay, awesome. It says repairs, replenishes, and renews for instantly softer, silkier, shinier, color-treated hair. And I did get highlights pretty recently, so I definitely could use something like this. Oh, and then there, oh, I love the NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams. This is in, what color is this? In Vienna. This is such a cute little size too. Let's see what this looks like. I have it in like Stockholm and I love it. So this is like a lavender, like lilac color. Let me swatch it. Oh, yeah, this is a different type of color, but I'm excited to try it. I don't think I have anything like this. And I love their formula. And then there's one more thing in here. This is by Jaden Madison Intentions. I don't think I've ever heard of this before, but this is a liquid lip and it looks like it's in a pretty color. I think Intentions is the name of the color. So that's definitely pretty. Here, I can take the wrapping off and swatch it for you guys. I love trying new brands. Oh, it seems like it's a gloss actually, kind of. That's what it looks like, the applicator. Yeah, this is definitely a gloss. It's like a pretty sheer gloss. Let me see if I can build it up. So that is that. So yeah, it's just like a sheer pink gloss, which is always good to have. And what is it? Jaden Madison? It smells kind of good. I wonder if this is plumping. You know how plumping lippies kind of have a scent? It kind of smells like that. And I think there's one more thing in here. It's by Purell Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. So it's water activated, so moisture works deep into skin surface. So do you put this on in the shower or after? It says after showering or bathing, apply this to wet skin. I always heard it's good to apply lotion and moisturizer to damp skin, but this one it looks like just straight out of the shower. So I already kind of do that, so I'm excited to try this brand. I think I've tried Purell before, I guess I should say this product. Awesome. So I think that's everything. Yep, thank you so much, Nikki. I can't believe there's a Calvin Klein bag included in this. This is so cute. And I love Calvin Klein too. So yeah, this is awesome. Thank you so much, Nikki. I'm so happy. I love winning giveaways. Or I love giveaways in general. Like I love posting them. I just think it's so fun. And now I have a package from Annette, my subscriber and friend, sent me this. We were talking, and I think we were talking about like makeup brushes, and she said she sent me some, but this is like jam-packed with stuff. Let me see it. Oh my gosh. Look. So there's like a bag in here, and then even more brushes. I think there is a card too, so I'll look at that first. And that's cat just had kittens and they are so cute. Oh, and the card has a cat on it. Of course, we are both cat ladies and love them, but the kittens are so cute, oh my god. So she said, Kitty, I hope you enjoy the brushes. I have never used any of these. They are brand new. P.S. Thank you for being a friend. Oh, thank you for being a friend. You are awesome. So outside the bag, oh my god, there is a set of Farrah brushes. I have received one before in my Ipsy, and I love Farrah brushes. You are so sweet. And on this is Be Beautiful, Be You. I am so excited to use these. I think I've seen other people get these in like the Ipsy Plus or something like that, which I'm still on the wait list for. I could be wrong, but that may be where they're from, but I'm so excited. It looks like there's 5 eye brushes, and I am so excited to try them. I'm loving the Farrah brushes. And then here is a pure brush. This is a contour blending brush. Awesome. And then here's this cute unicorn bag. Isn't that so cute? Oh my god, now there's so many more brushes in here. You are so sweet. I didn't peek into this bag yet. Okay, so there's this pure, this is like, I think for your under eye or for contouring too, but it's one of the paddle brushes. Oh my god, it's so soft. Awesome. And then what is this? This is a liquid chisel brush. Cool, I don't have anything like this. This is also by Pure. I think she received a lot of these in the Pure mystery bag. Oh my god, this is such a little cute one. This must be like the under eye paddle brush. Here, let me take it out. These are so soft. I wish you guys could feel it. So that's that. And then this is the Precision Crease brush. Ooh, this looks awesome. I need something like this. I was seriously saying, I don't have a brush like this in my collection, like to get more precise in your crease. Like, just like the name is, Precision Crease brush. Awesome. Oh, this is another one like that. This is I've never used a Morphe brush. This is a Morphe E24. This is exactly what it is, like a tapered blending brush. That is so awesome. Oh my god, thank you. I'm so excited to use these. It looks like there's a few more paddle brushes. Whoa, this one's so interesting. I wonder what this one's for. I'm gonna have to do some research on this, but this, let me get this out. Look at this one. Like, is that focusing? Isn't that, like, do you guys know what this is for? Oh, it's like so small. That's awesome. I wonder if it's for your eyes. And then, oh, this one's interesting too. Whoops, I just dropped something. That's so interesting. I can't wait to use these. I love trying new things. I really want to find out what like the best technique to use these are. These are so soft. So this can probably be used anywhere in your face. And then 2 pink brushes. This one is cool. I love the pink. So here are what these look like. So they both have the pink handles. This one kind of has like a slant to it, so you can use this for like your bronzer or the contour. Awesome, I'm so excited to use all these. Oh my god, it's not over, there's a few more. So there is a spoolie, and it looks like there's something on the other end. Is this for your brow? Brow Sculpt and Groom brush. So there's a brush tip on one end and then a spoolie on the other. And then there's 2 more of these little like odd shaped paddle brushes, which I am so intrigued by. These must be for the eye, but these are so interesting. Like here is that one, and then that's so cool. I'm so intrigued by these. Right after this video, I'm gonna look it up and try them out. But thank you so much, Annette. You are such a sweetheart. I am totally gonna send you some stuff back, so let me know what you want. I'm gonna send you a package. You are the sweetest person ever, as well as Nikki. Thank you so much. And thank you all for being here and watching with me. I feel so grateful to have all of you and for all of this stuff I received today. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.